Hi everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the URL shortener. The URL shortener when you are sending out messages is a great way to drive traffic to websites. We are using compliant links. We offer click-through tracking, and the usability is just greater. Instead of putting in a really long, complicated link, you use the shortener. So from your platform, go ahead into your mass messages and let's compose in the upper right-hand corner, the blue compose button. Obviously, we're going to put our description. Let's say that we're going to send a link out to a meeting that we are having. So this could be meeting link, choose the organization name, who we want to send that to. All right, so let's go ahead and compose our message. We're going to go ahead and compose this from scratch, although if you have a template, you can also use that. Now, in the text message editor, you'll notice there are all sorts of icons at the top here. We've discussed some of those in our previous videos. So let's say, join us today for our meeting. Click on the link below. Now, put this in context. This could be a sales advantage. It could be a PDF that you want somebody to click, maybe after the meeting you have sent this out, or after an event, or even an event sign up. So to use the URL shortener, you're going to find the link icon, and let's go ahead and enter our URL. So, and we're going to insert. For your purposes, it's just going to show that it has the shortened URL. See you there. All right, so we can look at the preview. We know how it's going to look. Let's go ahead and save and close. And then you can send that message out. Once that message has been sent, you can always go back to your messages and review how that link did. So for example, earlier I just did a quick test to the crew, and you can see your review for the message that you sent. It's going to give you all of the information, who you sent it to. And as you can see here, I sent that message to 7 people, and I have an 86% click rate because 6 people have opened it. So this is a great way to not only use that link shortener to compress that long link sometimes. The usability is just much easier for your consumers, but also it will tell you how that link is doing. What is your click-through rate? Another thing that you can do with that shortened URL is you can tie it to an automated campaign. So let's say you send a link out to a large list. Anybody that clicked on that, you can then send them to another list and you can follow up automatically. If they didn't click on the link, you can set some time parameters where it waits maybe 24 hours or 48 hours and it sends that link out again, just to give you better saturation to your consumers. So really great things that you can do with that shortened URL, besides just setting out a quick link and seeing if somebody clicked on it. Please contact our support team at support@iZigg.com for how you can use the URL shortener with any of the campaigns that you are currently running. Thank you so much. Have a great day.